If you have untidy lines, as there are on this side of the dart, don't worry about it. You can straighten it off slightly. It's very difficult to get a straight, clean run on long lines, particularly when you're starting doing this. So go back. If I'd used pencil, I could have rubbed it out, but I can't because I've used biro. Go back over it, and if it worries you, just tidy them up a bit. But you'll be stitching the dart off this shoulder line straight. So just redefine it slightly. The next thing you need to do is to add seam allowances. So I'm going to put at the neck 1.5 centimetres, which is 5/8 of an inch. And because this is again quite a tight curve, you can't add it in one long chunk. You have to do it in small bites and then join them up. And you will be twisting and turning the ruler every which way for this procedure. You just have to have a bit of patience and put them on following the line. So what you're doing is you're putting the 1.5 line onto what is effectively your fitting line or stitching line. It's the same thing. And draw down to the outside edge of the shoulder, and we're going to put 1.5 on here. So carry on round the curve and take that through to the side seam. And on the side seam, we're going to make it 2.5 centimetres or 1 inch. And then at the waistline, we're going back to 1.5 or 1.5 centimetres, 5/8 of an inch. So you've now added seam allowances all the way around the necessary areas: the neck, the shoulder, the armhole, side seam and waist. The centre front line, which I will shortly write on, is a fold line, and when you put that onto the material, it will be cut to a fold of fabric. So when you open it out, you have the entire bodice.